Hi guys, how's it going? So today I wanted to talk to you about this project that I am about to work on. Today is Sunday. It's a beautiful day outside and it's February the 23rd, 2020. So the reason I'm telling you guys this date is because this is my very first custom order. So I do a lot of resin projects and I am a resin artist. And so I normally do it to give, when I do my crafts and my videos, the projects that I do, I give them out to family members. But today is my very first custom order, and I have someone who wants me to make some geode resin coasters for them. And this is a geode silicone mold. This is designed specifically for resin. And so I am really, really excited. So please, guys, stay tuned to the rest of the video. This is just sort of, me letting you know how special this video is to me. And I'll tell you more about it as the video goes on. So thank you for tuning in, guys. Have a good day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and this is RoseJayCreates. And I wanted to do another project using my Geode Resin coaster that I ordered offline. And I've already used it once, as you can tell by the stains, when I did these resin geode coasters. I wanted to recreate them, but using different colors and making them a little bit more brighter and a little, making the colors pop a little bit more. So I wanted to, change it up and create the same thing, but in a sort of different effect and different colors. So guys, I am going to do a voiceover on this section of the video because I'm not sure why I chose not to speak while I was pouring my resin. But all I did was already mix my purple, my purplish red, my blue, and then I had some additional clear that I left. And once I'm done pouring the clear, I'll add glitter to that. But in the meantime, what I've already done is poured a rim of purple. And then I've poured purplish red, and now I've just finished it off with blue. And I am going to top it off with clear. And the reason I use clear, the reason you want to finish off with clear if you decide to do this project is clear makes the colors pull out and spread out. So if I didn't add the clear, then the colors wouldn't sort of blend the way I wanted them to. And a strange thing happened. I don't know if you can look inside the cup as I was pouring it, but the alcohol ink colors sort of began to separate. And normally alcohol ink colors don't separate like that. So I'm not sure why the colors stuck to the rim of the cup. So that's why that second one I just poured, the purple looks really, really light. The third one that I'm about to pour, you'll see exactly how light the purple got. And again, I am just pouring it off with the top of clear because I want the colors to I want the clear to sort of make the colors pull out. Right now I'm adding a little bit more purple and trying to mix that because, again, I'm not sure why the colors separated. And I like using alcohol ink. It can be a little bit more expensive versus resin ink. But I am just currently mixing some more. The colors are still sort of separating, and this third one that I'm going to pour, you'll see exactly how light the purple got. It almost looked like it was clear. So I'm just mixing and mixing, and I am about to pour it down a little bit. I'm using the toothpick to make sure everything is evenly combined, which I had already previously done that. You see how light that purple is? It almost looks clear versus the other ones, and all the ink sort of pulled on the rim of the cup. So I have to keep adding color to it, and so right now I'm just adding a little bit of blue, and you can tell that I've sort of switched it up. I did purple, blue, and then purplish red with that one, and then I topped it off with a little clear. It'll all make sense once this video is done, and you will love it. This is my very, very first custom order. I am so excited about this video. And so stay tuned while I continue pouring the rest of my alcohol tint in the silicone molds. And right now I've just added the purplish red, which those colors are kind of not separating. I still have to mix them. You can still see little clear spots throughout it. And I just sort of topped that rim off with some purplish red since I had a little bit more left over in the cup. even though that should have been purple, but it'll still work out. And it looks weird right now when you're looking at it. You're probably looking at this like, oh my God, where is she going with this project? It looks really, really weird. Trust me, when I am done, you will love it. And again, like I say, this is my very first custom order. I am so, so excited about this. Normally when I do my projects and I record them, I sort of, keep a pile of them in my drawer. I'll give them out as gifts to family members. But this is a very, this order is very special to me because someone wants me to make them some coasters and they're paying me for it. So I couldn't turn down money, for a project that I'm doing. And so I'm really, really excited. I'm actually adding a little glitter over there on the side as well. So topping it off with purple. And again, the colors look really, really strange. You're like, oh, those colors. I can't imagine what that'll look like. Trust me, it will be beautiful. And again, you always want to top it off with clear resin in the middle because it makes the colors pull. And when it is done, you will love it. And I'm about to add some chunky glitter on the next video. And so just stay tuned. Thank you. Okay, guys, now I'm pouring my colors. I'm going to let this sit up for a little bit, and then I'm going to add a little bit of glitter to the rest of my clear that I have. Okay guys, the colors have set up. I've added my glitter. So now all I have to do is wait for it to continue setting. And in about 12 hours, I will unmold it. And I'll show you the end result. So see you in 12 hours. Okay guys, the colors have sort of pulled together, kind of come the way I wanted it to look. These are the colors that I used. These are alcohol ink colors. This is purple that I used. And then I used a blue. And then I also used purplish red. And these are alcohol ink colors that I got offline on Amazon. And I'll put the supply list in the description. And then once I got the colors to set the way I wanted to, then I added some of my glitter. This is chunky glitter that I ordered offline at Amazon. And this is regular glitter, and then this is chunky glitter. And so I added these three colors of purple together. I mixed it with a little clear. And so once the colors have already pulled together, I wanted the purplish red to be the dominant color. So I started on the outside, and then I continued with the blue and then the purple. And so I knew that the purplish red will sort of overtake the blue. And then with the purple in the middle, it'll sort of eventually spread out and become one harmonious color. See? Look pretty? I'm going to let this sit for about 12 hours, and then in 12 hours I'll be back and I'll unmold it and I'll show you what it looks like. And guys, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure you're hitting the like button and leaving a comment. And then hit that notification bell so when I do post more videos, you'll get a notification about the other newest videos. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, and this is RoseJayCreates. So it's been 12 hours, and I have been working on my resin geode coasters. And I will aim the camera down so you can see what it looks like. Camera is a little wobbly. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, the colors have kind of pulled the way I wanted them to pull. Sorry about any reflections that you may see. Try to get them out. Okay, so these were the colors that I used again, and these are alcohol ink colors. I used a purplish red, blue, and then purple. So I put an outline of purplish red, blue, and then I put purple. And I wanted the purplish red to sort of overtake and power the other colors and sort of leave sort of this sort of ombre effect. And once it's set for a little bit, I added my glitter, my chunky glitter, which is purples that I use. Sorry. These are the colors that I use. I use regular purple, which is regular purple. I use chunky. These are chunky. And you can get these online at Amazon. Oh, I just dropped it, but it's fine. Okay, so I am going to unmold this so you guys can see what it looks like. And as you can see, this comes out fairly easy. Okay guys, I'm gonna adjust my camera so you can see what it looks like. And these are the ones that I did. Isn't that pretty? And this is what it looks like, guys. These are the purplish reddish ones that I did. And as you can see, the hint of glitter that I put inside of it. Which one? I think this one is probably my favorite. Sort of looks like a butterfly. Isn't that pretty? You can see right through it. I love these new resin geode coasters. This is my second project. I made these all one color. And then I did some other ones. And these are the other ones that I did on my other video that you saw. And these are the multiple colors that I did. I did a... Here's the other one. So these are the other colors that I did. I just wanted to do one set of colors. I think I like this one. What do you guys think of this one? I think this one is my favorite. Isn't it pretty? Almost looks like a little butterfly. You see the flecks of blue and purple. And then you see the little hint of glitter in there. It looks like little crystals. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? What do you think? Please hit the comment button and let me know, guys, what you think about these. Isn't that pretty? You can see right through them. It's like glass. I love these colors. So please hit the like button. Leave a comment, and I would love to know what you guys think. And as always, thank you for tuning in to RoseJayCreates. And please hit the notification bell, guys, because I'm going to try to upload videos at least once a week. That's my goal. I'm kind of, you know, forcing myself to upload more and more videos to kind of, you know, create a better following. So I'm trying to work on getting better at uploading videos. So please be patient with me, guys. Sometimes, you know, it takes a couple of weeks for me to upload a video. I have all these projects that I work on. And so I'm getting better at uploading videos. But again, guys, this is the end result. Isn't that pretty? These two are probably my favorite ones. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. And you guys have a great afternoon.